What's up, guys? Just going for a walk in the beautiful Kings Park. Let's have a look behind us here. Kings Park, Western Australia. I'll do another view of that later, but I wanted to sit down today and talk about breakthroughs in our life. And one of the topics I've been really trying to cover and learn more about emotionally is dealing with frustration, because I think a lot of us in our lives, I know for myself, when I was in my career in construction and I was looking for another way to live my life, the biggest emotion that I was struggling with was frustration. I had a job that before I got it was my dream. I thought once I get that job, the highest paying construction project in Australia, I had the high paycheck. I was on $180,000 a year, and I thought once I got that role that, sorry for the noise, guys. I thought to myself, once I had gotten that role, that my life was made. So it wasn't necessarily, I wasn't coming from a place of super pains and hurt and super broke and living paycheck to paycheck. I got that job because that was my answer at the time. But then the frustration came from realizing that wasn't fulfilling me. That role, it was a career for sure, but it wasn't what made me happy. And it wasn't what was going to allow me to live the life that I wanted to live. I hated trading all my time for money, selling my time to a boss. I hated being on work sites, even though I really appreciated the role and I appreciated the work, I appreciated the people I worked with, appreciated the money I was making. What frustrated me was that I felt a little bit guilty that I wasn't grateful for it anymore. I was grateful for it, but I wasn't happy with it. And I felt a little bit guilty. I'm like, why aren't I happy? I've got it all. I've got it all happening for me right now. And that's where the self-discovery journey started, where I looked within. I was like, well, what do I really want? What is going to make me happy? And that's when the money went out the window. I stopped chasing the money. I didn't care. And I was like, well, I just want to live a better lifestyle. I want to be free to travel. I want to be able to enjoy the fine things in life. I want to be able to wake up in the morning and take walks like this. It's Friday morning right now. It's around about 9 o'clock in the morning. And as I said, beautiful Kings Park. It's a beautiful tourism attraction here in the Perth, Western Australia. And just take these mornings in. When I was on site on the construction projects, all I was seeing was fluoro shirts and tools and construction work. It wasn't making me happy. It wasn't allowing me to live the life I want to live. Last year, as most of you know, that I lived in Bali for 7 months, and I've just recently traveled to South Africa and London, and I'm planning to go to Europe and Canada later this year. And that's why I chose to build a digital business. It came from the decision that the frustrations were enough. If you got my email yesterday, it was all about frustrations. It got to that point in my life where I had two decisions. I could either decide to make that change to get out of my career and start building something that I was truly passionate, that would allow me to live my life how I want to live it, give me choice, give me autonomy, and not necessarily just chase the money. Or I could simply stay where I was, accept that I wasn't going to be truly happy in what I was doing, but I could still live out a fairly successful career financially. And my happiness came first. 100% it came first. And this is what I guess this point of this video is. I'm just sort of telling a story, going with a flow, completely unscripted, raw and real. But guys, if you're in that situation where you're kind of feeling that frustration that, you're doing pretty well in your career, or you've gone to study to become an engineer or a lawyer or a doctor, or you've accountant, and you feel like you're inclined to stick with it because you've done the study, because you're in a pretty good position, but you're feeling a little bit unfulfilled, you're lacking a little bit of purpose, you're waking up feeling, is this really it for me? Is this really it? Then I want to encourage you to look at other alternatives. Look, it may be an online business with me and with our community. It may be that. take a look at our online curriculum, $29.95. Click the button below, you can get access to that. See if it's for you or not. If not, completely fine. I'm not here to tell you where you should go and what you should do. But consider this. Is what you are currently doing giving you the life and the fulfillment and happiness that you are truly chasing? And if not, it's time to open up some other doors. And like I said, it may be an online business with me, it may not be. But just start to open your world to different possibilities and opportunities and think, well, what if? What can I do? And what is going to make me truly happy? Because it starts with just that first step, being able to acknowledge that, hey, this isn't what I thought it was going to be. This career, this job, this small business that I'm running, it isn't what I thought it was going to be. This study, it's not what I thought it was going to be. So where to from here? Take that first step and try new things and new possibilities to see where life takes you. There's no right or wrong, but at the end of the day, all we are really chasing is freedom and happiness, freedom of choice. So that's it today, guys. I'm gonna go. I'm just waiting for a friend here. We're catching up for a morning coffee, and we catch up once a month now for a bit of a mastermind to share ideas. He's a real estate agent, fairly successful, and we like to just get together, share what's working, and morning rituals, daily habits. Just inspire each other to live a better life, so to speak. And yeah, so I've got to get back over there and get ready to see him. So I hope this video has found value for you today, and I'm going to stop rambling. I like to keep my videos short, so hit reply, leave a comment, share. Definitely reach out if you are struggling in any specific area of your life. You are feeling a little bit frustrated, you are a little bit undecided about your career changes. Maybe you just want to talk a little bit more about whether an online business is for you, and what are the actual options of building an online business. What does it actually consist of? What are the different business models? Because I guess you don't know what you don't know. So if you are interested and you are serious, you can book in a call with me. We can talk, and we can see if we can put together a game plan for you that will help you to launch your own business in your own way. Something that's going to make you happy, and I guess a new direction for you. So that's it for me, guys. Over and out, and I'll talk to you guys soon.